fire.
Hi, Toaster. I mean, Tastier.
Hey, what's up, Marmar? Today we're at Six Flags Great Adventure, and this is a bird's eye view from the Sky Ride.
It's amazing.
See? We're not gonna fall. That's the new ride, the Joker, right there.
Hi, everyone. We're in Six Flags Great Adventures.
Hello, Marmar.
Can I just get my eyes closed?
That
Six
is
Flags
the big
Great
wheel.
Adventures, And,
Look at this view. Isn't that beautiful?
And we are actually in the Sky Ride. It's actually really fun.
Look at the
how
new
far-
Joker, though.
Look at that.
That's awesome. I love that ride. Look at that view. I'm about to turn this way because there's not really much of a view that way.
That's amazing.
They're about to drop them from that ride right there. You'll see it right before your own two eyes. There you go.
Talk about dropping. Oh, hi, everyone. Hi, people. This is fun. This is fun.
Over there we have El Toro, Kinderka, El Diablo, Bizarro,
This is so safe.
Green Lantern, Superman.
Hi, friends. Hi, people. Hi.
Over there we have the log
people.
flume.
Hi, friends.
It's been there for a super long time.
That's fun.
Down there, Houdini's
say
Great
hi.
Escape.
Hi. Hi, friends. Hi.
What the hell?
Look at the lake. Wow.
Look at that. Ain't
Look
that
at that
beautiful?
view. It's amazing. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Oh, look, it's one. There's the log ride. It's like,
It's so safe.
you see that bluish right there? Like, I see it.
Maybe they're building something down there.
Just like
I hope they have some nice plans.
I see it. Look, there's the log
There's
ride
the
I was
carnival.
talking about. Like,
The log ride, beautiful. Log flume.
It's like that's the log ride. We'd love to go there.
Our mom is right behind us. Oh gosh.
I'm gonna zoom in and say hi. I wanna see them. I wanna see them.
Look at that. Ain't that
Fast when you're
beautiful?
going down.
No.
Nah.
Barely moves.
Can you stand up here?
No.
Oh no, we're about to die.
Yeah.
Look, there's El Diablo. Hi, friends. Hi.
Yeah, finally people
El
actually
Diablo.
said
I
hi.
went on there like at least 5 times. I did not lie.
You did not go on 5 times, you only went on 2.
Hi, friends. Hi. This is fun.
This is the log flume.
Hi,
Bizarro. I'm hoping to get on El Toro, but I don't know if it's
Like
open.
moving this thing like a hole. The log rides.
The log flume.
I call it the log ride.
It's flume.
Log
The
ride.
beautiful lake.
It's very.
Home to over 2
Oh, look,
fish.
look at that log ride. Looks amazing, doesn't it? I think I'll go to the log ride.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Wait, it starts up from there?
No. No.
Where? Where does it start off from?
Right here. Right there.
All over. And then you go up a hill and then fall down so far down.
Ah, no, it's not
that
bad.
far.
It's not bad.
I
Anyway.
love it.
So we're going up to an end of our. Oh yeah, and there's a new safari over there.
We're gonna go to the
So we're ending. Oh yeah, and Rolling Thunder. So we're ending our ride.
Awesome.
Stay tuned for more ride info today, because it's gonna be a nice day. Say bye, Marmar.
Bye.
See ya.
Bye.